All right, so this is all about percent change. So the ways that a percent can make an amount change is by increasing it or decreasing it. So percent increase happens when the new amount is greater than the original amount. So let's say one day a gallon of milk costs $2 for 1 gallon. And then let's say the next day, the milk cost, so this is day one. Day two, they go into the store and milk costs $2.50 for 1 gallon. So now the new amount is greater than the original amount. And in order to find out by what percent the price increased by, we do two things. First, we find the difference between the new amount and the original amount. So we always do new minus original. That's going to give us the difference. So if it's starting at the new, it was $2.50, and then we're subtracting the original, which is $2, and that gives us a 50-cent increase. Okay. Step number 2 says take the difference and divide it by the original amount. So we have 50 cents divided by $2. And if we do that, we get 25 hundredths, which that decimal is the same as 25%. So we have a 25% increase. That is our percent increase. Okay, so here's one more example. When Spencer was 5, he was 28 inches tall. Today he is 5 feet, 3 inches tall. What is the percent increase in Spencer's height? Okay, so our original is 28 inches tall. And our new is 5 feet, 3 inches. But we have to make sure we are comparing the same thing. So we want to compare inches to inches. And so 5 feet, 5 feet, foot, 3 inches. So this would be 5 times 12, because there are 12 inches in 1 foot, so that's 60, and then plus the 3 inches equals 63 inches. Okay, so remembering our steps. Find the difference, new minus original. So our new is 63, the original is 28. So we have 63 minus 28. And we get 35. So then step 2, we take 35, which is our difference, over the original, which is 28. And this is 1 and 25 hundredths. 1 and 25 hundredths is the same as 125%. So we have a 125% increase in price, or increase in his height. All right. So now the opposite is percent decrease, and percent decrease occurs when the new amount is less than the original amount. So, first of all, we find the difference. Okay, so let's think about it the opposite way. We'll take our milk example again. So on day 1, the milk costs $2 per gallon for 1 gallon. On day 2, it's on sale, yay! And now it costs $1.75 for 1 gallon. So now, again, we still find the difference between the new and the original. So we take the new, $1.75, and we subtract by the original. And that gives us negative 25 hundredths. Okay, that negative is telling us that our price has gone down. If it's positive when we do new minus the original, we know it's going to increase by that amount. If it is negative, it is going down. It's decreasing by that amount. So now we take our difference and divide it by the original. So negative 25 hundredths minus, or divided by $2 is negative 125 thousandths, which is really, thinking about how we move the decimal to find our percents, we move it twice, multiply by 100 because percents are out of 100, and we get a decrease of 12.5%. When it's negative, it means we're decreasing by that amount. All right, so here's a good example. A shirt cost $45 originally and is on sale for $37. What is the percent decrease? So this would be like saying, what is the discount? How much is it discounted, or what percent is it discounted? All right, so again, we have our new, our sale amount, and the original was 45. So we take 37 minus 45, and we get negative 8. Now we take the difference of negative 8, telling us it's decreasing because it's negative, and we divide it by not 37, the original, which is 45, which gives us negative 0.17 repeating. So I'm just going to actually, for the purpose of this, write it like this. And remember, we always move it twice. So we get 17.7 repeating percent decrease. There we go. So, things to remember, tips and tricks to remember. When you find the difference, new minus original, just like with our similar figures, we always do new over original, the new one's first. If it's positive, it means it's increasing. If it's negative, it is decreasing.